kuna fedha ambazo zimetengwa na serikali kuhudumia sekta ya maziwa na kuhakikisha changamoto zile ziko katika hizo sekta. Hiyo sekta imedhibitiwa na kwa sasa, kwa sababu ya hizo fedha, naamuru shirika la New KCC kupandisha bei ya maziwa saa hii, waanze kununulia wakulima kwa shilingi 33. So that 3 shillings. I'm asking the MD of New KCC, is he here? He should be here. He's supposed to be here, and we have already agreed. I've already asked him to enhance the prices immediately to that 3 shillings. So farmers now, I want to announce that, following the President's directive and intervention, we are enhancing prices for milk from the current low of 25, 27 to that 3 shillings. And moving forward, as we do the other interventions, the prices will even improve even further. And I think that is going to help farmers, that new pricing. We looked at it because we will be mopping up excess milk and processing to powder milk and putting it into the strategic food reserve. That will help stabilize the prices and improve the earning of farmers.